राजधानी दिल्ली में रोटरी क्लब ऑफ दिल्ली एट दीवा के द्वारा किए गए कार्यक्रम में मोटिवेशनल स्पीकर के तौर पर पहुंची डॉक्टर कर्नल गुंजन मल्होत्रा, जिन्होंने महिलाओं को यहां पर बताया कि किस तरीके से सर्वाइकल कैंसर के साथ साथ अन्य बीमारियों से अपने आप को बचाया जा सकता है। जी हाँ, रोटरी क्लब ऑफ दिल्ली के द्वारा जो यहाँ पर ये पूरा कार्यक्रम जो है वो किया गया था। तस्वीरें हम आपको दिखा रहे हैं संग्रीला होटल की, जहाँ पर ये पूरा कार्यक्रम किया गया था। जी हाँ, रोटरी क्लब ऑफ दिल्ली एट दीवा के द्वारा ये पूरा कार्यक्रम जो है किया गया था, जिसमें रोटरी क्लब ऑफ दीवा दिल्ली के जो मेंबर हैं वो यहाँ पर पहुँचे। उनके साथ साथ यहाँ पर मोटिवेशनल स्पीकर के तौर पर डॉक्टर कर्नल गुंजन मल्होत्रा पहुँची और उन्होंने किस तरीके से महिलाओं को जानकारी दी, उसकी हम तस्वीरें दिखाते हैं। यहाँ पर जब वो कार्यक्रम में शिरकत करने पहुँची तो उन्होंने बताया कि महिलाओं के अंदर किस तरीके से, चाहे वो सर्वाइकल कैंसर की बीमारी हो या ब्रेस्ट कैंसर की बीमारी हो या अन्य बीमारी हो, उन बीमारियों के बारे में उन्होंने यहाँ पर महिलाओं को जागरूक किया और इसलिए ही ये पूरा कार्यक्रम जो है रोटरी क्लब ऑफ दिल्ली एट दीवा के द्वारा किया गया था, जिसमें शिरकत करने के लिए यहाँ पर डॉक्टर कर्नल गुंजन मल्होत्रा पहुँची और उन्होंने किस तरीके से मोटिवेट स्पीकर के तौर पर किस तरीके से महिलाओं को जानकारी दी। आइए उन्हीं की जुबानी हम आपको सुनवाते हैं कि उस पूरे कार्यक्रम में क्या हुआ।
We are honored to have you here as our guest speaker, and I'm sure we all have a lot to learn from you. I think there are too many things she has on her plate. Veteran gynecologist, served at the Indian Army over 24 years, so ex-consultant at the Army Hospital for research and referral. She has a teaching experience of over 15 years with numerous scientific papers. She has been awarded Army Commendation cards twice while serving Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi while serving in a foreign mission at Tajikistan. My God, that is amazing. And the list doesn't end over here. She's an acclaimed scuba diver, yoga enthusiast, Kathak dancer. She's also a cancer survivor. Yeah. Motivational speaker, and she has been Mrs. India Subcontinent 2024. So I would like you all to put your hands together to please welcome Colonel Gunjan Mallhotra.
Most of all, Modi ma'am, I have known her since the past 6 months, and I really thank you for calling me. It's a pleasure. It's my pleasure. And ma'am, thank you for such an introduction. Richa ma'am, thank you for the introduction. I'm really honored and really humbled. So I will just, maybe guys can just sit down. Maybe pull the chairs. We have, now that we are already here. मैं अपनी favorite, please put your hands on your left side of your chest, that's your heart, and say that. मैं अपनी favorite हूँ. I love myself. Love yourself. So that's the one. Now something about your favorite topic, menopause. Menopause is in case it is like hot flashes are troubling you a lot, then there are certain medicines. Despite you modifying your lifestyle, अगर फिर भी all these symptoms if they are there, then you might need to take medicines, estrogen supplements or estrogen increase होती है, estrogen tablets होती है. And अभी of late there is one more very new kind of that's puberty. So it is a non-harmful. Then there's something known as heavy over. So you need to get to your gynecologist actually. So this is why posting. Please, after this, another thing happened that I got a fracture. I was doing calisthenics after healing of cancer, and I fell and I broke होने की वजह से I got plated and became a steel woman. And I still continue. I got my physiotherapy, and I'm back on track, and I'm doing yoga again, and I will get back to that pose where I. And the next time we met, I will see. So see how much your hormones play. The moment you are stressed, moment your mind is not at rest, gynecologist, I think infertility is between a couple, which nobody else is business. And they should be. And आज आज के टाइम्स में there are so many modalities to conceive that nobody should really worry. And I'm so during dinner times and otherwise also I had a habit of getting up. I get up very early in the morning at 5 o'clock. I used to go for a run, and on my way back I used to see my patients at the labor room, decide for the day, and then move on. This day I went to the lab assistant there to ask. He has 3+ sugars in his urine. I still couldn't get it. He said, "Chalo, blood sugar kara." Can you actually guess what was his blood sugar at that time? It was almost like 495. Oh. And in the previous 10 days, during this time only, my husband had a habit of missing him on the days. So he would tell me, "Iski na bread badi sweet hai." Bahut sweet है. Actually, the child was going into diabetic ketoacidosis, which he would have just can't help it. It's another crack in the ball which came to us. And I still remember this. I don't know how I finished it. I'm so thankful to God. How I finished it. My husband had already gone. We didn't have a pediatric endocrinologist where Sam would go. We had to search for him. Then proceeding. His insulin started. Viral join in. This is really nice.
President Rotary Club of Delhi Diva. It is our pleasure to invite Dr. Gunjan to our club, and she's given us such a wonderful speech on menopause. It was such a motivational speech. We were all thrilled to have her here. Everybody has so many questions to ask her. She is a perfect gynae. I am going to go her as a patient now. Earlier I was a listener to her, but now totally I am going to go her as a patient. Thank you so much, Dr. Gunjan, for.
अच्छा, जो आपका ये रोटरी क्लब ऑफ दीवा है, किस तरीके से आप लोग काम कर रहे हैं वुमेन्स पावर को लेकर?
ये हमारा चैरिटी एसोसिएशन है. इसकी सोशलाइज भी करते हैं और चैरिटी भी करते हैं. बट येस, विद चैरिटी वी लाइक टू इनवाइट ऑल द फीमेल्स हियर टू वर्क फॉर अस, वर्क फॉर द सोसाइटी. जो सोसाइटी ने हमें दिया है, हम चाहते हैं कि सोसाइटी कुछ वापस दे, कुछ थोड़ा काम करके.
Agarwal. I'm a part of Rotary Diva. I've been this club is a new club formed with the like-minded people, and I'm really very honored to be part of this club. Here we are all. This is a good platform to know each other and to good for the society. And moreover, in this time we take our time to meet each other. That's it.
तरीके से यहाँ पर मोटिवेशन आप लोगों को किया आपने?
यहाँ पे बहुत सारी लेडीज़ हैं और बहुत सारी लेडीज़ के बहुत सारी क्वेरीज थे मेन्योपॉज को लेके, कैंसर को लेके, सर्वाइकल कैंसर, ब्रेस्ट कैंसर. तो मुझे बड़ी खुशी हुई कि मैं ये सारी की सारी क्वेरीज बता पाई उनको अपना स्टोरी बता पाई, जिसमें मैंने बहुत सारे हेल्थ चैलेंजेस फेस करे. और इससे अगर ये मोटिवेट होती है तो मेरे लिए बहुत अच्छा रिस्पांस है. एंड लोगों का बहुत अच्छा रिस्पांस रहा, और अभी भी लोग आ रहे हैं मेरे से पूछने कि हमारे को ये गायनी प्रॉब्लम है, हम क्या करें एंड ऑल दैट. तो मैं तो बहुत खुश हूँ कि मैं यहाँ आई और मैंने ये अवेयरनेस फैलाया.